Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious chocolate latte using an easy method. This simple recipe is perfect for a cozy treat anytime. We will go through 4 straightforward steps to create a rich and creamy beverage. You will be able to enjoy a cafe-quality drink right in your own home in just a few minutes. Let's get started on crafting your perfect chocolate latte. For this delightful drink, you will need just a few basic ingredients. Start with 1 cup of your preferred milk, whether it is dairy or a plant-based alternative. Next, grab 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder to give it that deep chocolatey taste. You will also need 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar, depending on how sweet you like it. Finally, prepare 1 shot of espresso or 2 tablespoons of strong brewed coffee. Now let's get to the mixing and heating. In your mug, combine the cocoa powder and sugar first. Whisking these dry ingredients together before adding liquid helps prevent any lumps, ensuring a perfectly smooth latte. Next, gently heat your milk. Aim for a temperature of about 150 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hot but not boiling. Overheating the milk can change its flavor and texture, so be careful. The final steps are quick and easy. Slowly pour the hot milk over the cocoa and sugar mixture in your mug. Stir continuously until all the dry ingredients are completely dissolved and the mixture is smooth. Then, add your prepared espresso or strong coffee. Give it 1 last gentle stir. For an extra special touch, you can garnish your chocolate latte with a dollop of whipped cream or a sprinkle of chocolate shavings. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.